Me and the boys decided to take on Minecraft Nightmare Mode, and it was possibly the hardest challenge we've faced so far. Prepare yourselves for one of the most scuffed videos on this channel. Seeing as me and my friends suffered for over an hour just to make this video, it would be nice if you could hit the subscribe button. But you know, it's not like you have to, it's just a suggestion. Oh my god, fucking baby zombie with iron armor. Yo! I tripped on a twig, but we're on snow, and it's a mountain, and there's no trees nearby.
Yeah, get used to it. It only gets worse.
I moved a fucking inch. I carefully took a step. Yeah, bro, you wanna know where the server's hosted? This shit's hosted in West Virginia!
Mountain Mama!
Oh. You just fucking.
Why?
Fuck off, Luna. Ah! I bruised my knee.
Why did I trip on a rock? We're not even near any rocks.
Bro, we're on rocks.
Run a fat ass.
Stop! You fat fucking
so
Batman-looking motherfucker!
I'm so fucking angry.
Instead of fixing me, you broke me. Come on, butterfly click him, get him better.
Whoa! Where'd Poke go? What?
Come.
No wackadoo!
No.
Get that bitch!
Yo, I'm
Get that
about to
fucking
fucking
get his
whack him
ass!
with-
Get him!
Yeah, get his ass! Get his ass!
Can anyone place down the crafting table?
Anyways.
Go quick before I break. Oh, too
What?
late. I'm doing it with my fist this time. Come on,
Yeah,
craft,
don't worry, bro.
craft, yeah!
Oh yeah, we're vegetarians. We can only eat bread.
No wonder we're so fucking weak, dude. We have no protein in our system.
Yo,
Like,
mate,
we're over here tripping over ourselves.
if we can only eat bread, then we should go find a village. Let's go
A
find
big
one.
old village! Alright, well,
Oh,
let's test this theory. So, if I'm vegan, I should be able to eat some mushy stew, yes?
Luna, shut the fuck up, you stupid.
Yeah,
I
you're
tripped on
That's
a
why you
twig.
fucking tripped and lost all your shit.
Why
I'll
do
be
I-
back over to you guys in a
What?
second.
Yo, aw, free shit, bro.
No, give it back.
Hold on.
No!
I'm just swapping all your non-used tools for my used tools.
God damn it.
Luna, leave. We're turning this into a duo buddy episode. Fuck you.
Oh,
Not
okay. Oh, my bad.
Down. So just turn
around.
I cut myself. No, I didn't, bitch. I was fucking hitting a cow, but apparently I just cut myself.
Why are you hitting a cow? We're vegetarian, remember?
Because I want leather, bitch.
Leather! Venom!
Venom.
They ain't gonna know I hit him, because that shit rhymes with venom.
Baby zombie, baby.
Bro,
James, built too high up. Stop, James!
Trey's
Why?
Poke, do you see this sky base over here? That's me, bro. I'm surrounded by like 50 baby zombies. Get in,
Oh,
dude.
four.
Get in,
Oh.
quick. Get in.
Oh, cool, an Enderman. I can't wait
The
for him
fuck
to
are you-
auto aggro on me.
Yo, fuck this shit.
Those are cave spiders. Those are cave
What are you
spiders.
doing, blood?
Ah, fuck off, bud. Come on.
Bro, there are fucking cave spiders out.
There's
I
an
hate-
arrow in the back of my head, bro. No!
Place it. Place the block
Where am I supposed to place it, James?
under the one above it, bro. Please.
Jump.
Yeah. Jump. Let's do it again.
Oh, yeah. If I can do it again, let's do it again.
Oh, get in!
Did you fucking take all my shit, James?
No,
here.
bro, your shit's out there in the wild.
Come on! I escaped.
Five wood.
I have no wood. I have a plank.
I have wood.
Get in.
Come on!
Get in the brother hole. Get in the brother hole.
Gotcha, bro. Oh, you're
Oh
on
my
fire.
god,
I'm on
what's all
fire
that?
till I die.
This man's on fire forever right now.
No, he's gonna lose all his shit.
Bro. Don't worry, I got you.
What is all this shit outside? There's like 5 fucking zombies. We're making a tube, bro. We're making a tube. Oh!
Move, man, move!
Hey, dudes. What's
Oh,
up?
yo, we're like actually fuck. Bro. Luna?
Ow!
Is it night? Or is it still night? Move.
Still night.
Let me look out the window.
Where is the window?
It's behind pro-
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
They say
Run!
it just be that way, I guess.
Why didn't Poke die?
Oh my god, fucking
My bad.
spider is so fast.
Bro,
Oh
you're
no!
getting chased by that
I'm
motherfucker.
going back to the tube.
Oh!
This ain't worth it.
Watch out, bro. I'm tube heroing right now, dude. I got your shit, bro. TP to me! TP!
Fucking- No, I can't take the. Ah!
Pick it up, dude. Get the shit.
I picked it up. Creeper! Oh!
I got your shit, bro. TP! TP!
Got the shit! I got it! Ow! Ow!
I'm here, dude.
Ow,
I'm here.
Ow!
Get the water.
Run! Ah! Oh no! It all went into the water.
I got your shit, bro. Don't worry.
It's a fucking mess.
Fuck me, blood.
All the shit.
You fucking drowned me.
I got some stuff, dude. Don't worry.
All the shit went under the water, and now we can't fucking get it because we'll drown. Die! No! Don't kill the turtle! He's so cute! So baby! No!
Oh, what?
I just witnessed Luna fucking splooge all of his items out of his inventory.
You took my fucking sword.
Morty. Morty.
Noah, shut up, Noah. Stop DMing me.
Noah, I don't care about MC.
What?
Why?
Poke, what happened?
What?
What happened?
What happened, dude?
The guy punched the fucking log by accident, I think, and it
Are you
killed him.
serious? I'm gonna have to frame by frame that shit.
I can't think of anything else that it was.
Motherfucker James kind of laughed and like stamped me right now. Just.
Oh, bro, there's a fucking hole down there. Look at that. Let's go in.
Yo, it is a low. That's a big hole.
I just. Poke.
Where are you, lad?
Come on, my boy,
Poke,
we
look up.
going.
No! Why did we
Hey.
jump down here? Why did we think that was a good
Con-
idea?
Content.
Gay and guys.
Oh! Oh!
Shame.
Look at that! Ah!
Look at the wrist.
Look at him! Look at oh, you dumb ass!
What
you
you
whole
doing,
dumb
Papa?
ass!
Oh! I fell down the hole!
Bummer Jeff, dude.
Little bumper Jeff, my god.
I'm
just
sorry
gonna
for my
die?
sins. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No!
Did you-
Oh!
Bro. What?
You good, lad?
His head fell on it. And he instantly
Oh. I fucking hate, man. This is so garbage.
This guy literally touched the tree and died.
I fucking had an axe. I broke a block. The axe broke.
Ow.
I touched a block. Oh.
James, what did you do? Oh, you're. Oh, okay. Just
Oh,
remember
I'm
you
on
drowned,
Twitter.
James. Just remember you drowned.
Where the fuck did y'all even go?
Oh, bro, this fucking. Oh my god, the entire Walking Dead just came out of the ocean. Holy
I
shit.
need to see this shit. Hey.
Don't let Luna up, dude. Get him back in there. You guys remember that fishing video? Well, it's that again. We're doing that again, bro.
Yeah.
Fuck this. We
That was a
tricked.
good challenge, bro. Gay off.
Boom, big reveal. Oh, it's
so
taking
I
a
was
while to
like-
get a bite right here, man.
Bro, I'm actually gonna shit my
What are you
britches.
doing?
Can we
Poke, you see
leave,
this
man?
shit,
Let's
bro?
leave.
Ow!
Yeah, let's go looking for a village. Come on, lads. We're burning daylight here.
Fuck off, you actual pathetic fucking trog.
Give me a
Yo,
fucking
what if we
nibble,
find a bee, bro? What are we gonna do then? What are we gonna do?
Don't break
Eat
the
it.
beehive.
Ow! My
Whatever you
cunt!
do, whatever you do, actually don't break the beehive
Why?
because it spawns like 10,000 bees.
What the fuck was that all about?
Oh! What do you mean? Ah! What the? Bruh. No, I didn't ask for this.
I'm out this bitch. I'm out this bitch, blood.
Guys, help me. The bees.
I'm
TP
on my
to me
way.
quick.
What do you want us to do against all these bees, bro? They're angry.
Fucking help me, man. The odds. The fucking wanting. Ah!
We're good
Alright,
now.
we're
safe.
starting again. Hey, yo, the pizza here. Ah!
Hey Siri, set an alarm for 2:12 p.m. to tell Luna to shut the fuck up.
I'd set your tell Luna to shut the fuck up alarm for 2:12 p.m.
It should be going off right now. When's it gonna go down? Come on. Come on.
Luna, what the
Go off,
fuck?
sis.
I broke a leaf and accidentally hit the
Hey
fucking
Siri,
log after.
remove that alarm.
Did you get your shit back?
Where?
It's under the tree where you died, man.
You died?
It's
So you
not.
fucking
distracted by
punched
Siri.
it. Poke, do you have Luna's shit?
No. I've been busy with Siri, bro.
Bro, it must have fucking despawned.
What the fuck do you mean?
Well, it's not
James?
fucking there, is it? Like, it must have despawned
James?
it. No! I didn't no! I made a second set of tools on purpose, bro. It's not yours.
Yeah. The fucking comedian timing.
Man's got an eye pussy. An eye
Yo, I'm out of fucking...
Use.
Oh, I see.
Use.
You see.
Yeah, you see, you see.
Hey guys, Sky. Hey
Oh,
guys, Sky.
I'm not!
What the
Why?
I'm not. What does that mean?
Yo, get that iron golem.
No,
Yeah,
I
sure.
don't think it will.
Get that iron golem! Get that iron golem out of there! Get us out!
Happen, bro. Never.
Stop, James. I see what you're trying to do. Stop. You're such a putrid asshole. You know that.
What the fuck is happening? There's some weird shit going on with that iron golem right now.
There's some weird shit happening in this ravine right now, bro. Ah! MOG hay bale. I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
I lived!
nice.
I lived, bitch! I MOG hay baled right now. Ow!
Yo, I got you some shit, James. You're welcome.
Oh,
That was a really big jump, damn, dude.
yeah, man, this fucking impossible mode shit's wild. You know how
Getting-
they say if you dig down far enough in the desert, you find water? Well, I think I'm gonna do that. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Maybe you shouldn't. No,
Turn that one
no.
off. Jeez.
There's water down there, Luna. Look, go inspect it. Oh, no! My bread! I can't believe it's been 50 minutes. And
Has it?
we've still not progressed past hiding in a hole together. At least we got a bed this time. That's cool.
Everybody set your respawn point to the bed.
Oh, it's fucking day, bro.
Oh! Poke, set your respawn point.
Yo, I got loud. Oh, ring the dingster. Who's ringing him?
What happens if I touch a cactus?
It probably hurts.
Probably hurts a bit.
Is it gonna kill me instantly? You know, just like
Probably
real
not.
cactuses do.
Yeah, you punch a cactus, you just immediately wake
It
up. in the
poisoned me,
hospital
bro. What do you mean?
What?
I wanna find a
Yeah.
jangle.
bed. A what?
A fucking jangle biome.
Oh.
I see a beehive.
Don't do it.
Go, James. Why did
Hold
you
up.
just disappear? What the fuck? What? What the goddamn fuck?
Get that bee up there, man!
Help me! I'm-
Game. That's what happened.
No, I'm not a flower. I don't have pollen. Get away.
Ah! Yo, we got a lava lake here, although the bees are kind of after us.
The bees are coming, man. Don't worry, I'll take care of this.
No, it'll kill us, James, stop! Oh, okay. Never mind. We're
Now
good.
pick up all their XP.
Will the creeper destroy the golem, bro?
He's just ignoring him. He's smarter than he looks.
No,
It's
try
not-
it. Be
Explode it
careful,
near
because
him.
again, it explodes the second you're in range. Try and get it within range of the goal.
Ow! I tripped on a rock. I was on a hay bale.
It's still,
shift
it's
mode.
over
Where
there,
did he
bro. I
go?
see it. Bro, no! No!
Cause I'm here. Give me a kissy, moi.
I bruised my knee!
Get him, Gollum! Get him, dude!
Gollum!
Don't worry, bro. I got this. I got this shit, bro. Hey guys, checking it.
Look at the get across the log bridge now, bro. Run.
Watch out, bro. James!
You want to stop
Yo,
here then?
punch
Or...
this fucking house.
Butterfly, click the wall.
This is so fucking
for
epic.
fuck's sake, and now we're
I'm gonna
back.
butterfly click you, bro. I'm gonna butterfly click you.
Oh god. Oh yeah.
No, he's invincible. I'm a vegan.
What are you doing?
No, I'm innocent. Ow.
Oh my god.
We'll be okay this time. Oh, what just happened? What just fucking happened? Is this fucking Requiem? What the fuck's going on? This is literally a JoJo's reference. This is base as fuck.
Dude.
Cream. I keep dropping into a fucking cream hole, dude.
It's getting deeper.
This is the funniest shit I've ever seen. Holy! Oh, that's what's going on.
Literally spawns above lava. Oh, this again. Okay. Let's get a trio going on the minecarts.
Yeah, come on, James. Or not James. Folk. Come here. Come here.
This is it's not a Nugget Buddies video unless you fuck up the goddamn world with minecarts, bro.
Oh, no. Oh, no, redo.
That's what you're fucking get. Oh shit.
No, redo. My frame rate's starting to come.
Okay, it's just not even making a noise. Okay, there we go.
Holy
I'm being smashed
shit.
against the wall.
Yeah, you literally. I'm moving forward.
It's pushing me back. I can't move
Oh, I got
forward.
it.
All right, let's get it to 3,000.
Yeah. Day 3000.
There we go. Now we're cooking with magic.
1K. 1K subs. Will the server be able to handle?
16, 17, 1800, 1900, 2000.
It's gonna crash.
I literally hear no noise.
3, 4, 5.
Fuck. It's getting
6,
slower.
7.
Bro, the fucking lagger meter is
12
just
FPS,
decent.
9, 3.
Push it.
Let's go.
Okay. It sounds like a helicopter.
Holy shit, it's actually like the reverse flag.
Oh no. Little left what?
It kicked me.
Oh
It's still
shit.
fine for me, boys.
Oh.
I'm back in.
I just wanted to touch a block.
It's already touched the block, bro.
I think it needs to touch one like on the side. Oh!
Oh!
It's a dwarf star, bro!
It started.
The blocks are starting to deteriorate.
A galaxy is being born in front of us.
You can tell it's bad when it doesn't even make the explosion noises. It's got okay. If you go far enough, it literally just goes silent.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my
Yes, it's still
fuck.
happening. Holy
Noise.
egg baby!
I just love seeing the blocks around.
It's finally getting released.
Dude, look at the tower.
I know, man. It's actually forming into a transformer right now, bro. What the fuck? Look at that shit! It looks like a person!
Oh my god.
When will it end, dude? I'm gonna try and get near it and see what happens. I'm inside it, bro. I'm inside it.
Oh, it's so fucking loud.
It is like super loud. Come on, Venom.
I love the one. Oh my god! I got hit by the explosion and got literally knocked up to block height. I want to do that again. Dude, if you fall into...
Is
there we
it
go.
finished, bro? Oh
That
shit.
didn't do a lot.
It didn't. I think the water might have fucked the.
Dang. Well, we gotta do it again.